Navigator, and just very quickly I want to introduce you to Quant, who is our trained AI agent. So this is going to help you big time when you're trying to find your way around specific strategies you're trying to apply in the market. So it's fully trained, and we're going to show you where you can get it. So you can get it in Equity Scan. So if you're logged in here and you need help from Quant, you can just click on the bubble in the bottom right hand corner, ask any question you want. The other place you're going to get it is in our knowledge base. That's where we hold all of our courses, and currently where we hold all our information on our trades and our portfolio history. Again, on the bottom right hand corner, just click on the bubble and you can ask Quant any question you want. So for example, let's say you're confused about how to place put option on IG index. So you go place put option IG index. So this is going to return now the step-by-step process for placing a put option on IG index. It's not going to bring up IBKR. So if you were looking to place this trade on Interactive Brokers, for example, you would just change out IG index there and put in IBKR. So it's telling you exactly your step-by-step process, how do you do it, and some important notes on it. So let's say, for argument's sake, you go how to place bull put spread. There's a different strategy altogether. It's now kind of figured out that you want IG index, so it's going to just bring up the IG index bull put spread. But again, if you wanted to change that, you could change that to IBKR. So I'm just giving you examples here as to how you would actually do this. You could ask any question you wanted, and if the answers aren't there, what will happen is here you'll be asked, is this helpful? And you might go, no, pass me to agent please. And what that will do then is send you on to us. So if AI can't answer the question for you, it's going to pass you off to us, and then we'll be able to help you out. So if, for example, myself or anyone else can't get back to you in time, we will get back to you, as you know, very, very shortly. So something there that's going to really speed up the process in your learning as well. Quant, our AI agent. And then finally, just to mention, we're busy building out our app, our ShareNavigator app, and also our US 500 Yield Challenge. We're creating a whole new platform for that. That's going to make it even more easier for you to follow all of our trades. So that's all coming in the pipeline and should be ready within the next 8 to 10 weeks. Our developers are busy on that at the moment. Okay, just a quick update here. Hope you enjoyed Quant. Any questions, please let me know. Thanks and bye for now.